Hey everyone, I gave you a little intro video on this new Stihl Kombi attachment the other day. So here's some action footage. Check out what this thing can do. It's excellent for flat topping, as the landscapers call it, just coming along the edge. And again, remember the advantage of that is that I'm not throwing debris. The other thing is you can use it to edge with. And of course I'm running the battery product and I've stuck the cord up, so let's be real and have a real life issue. So I'm going to flip it on its side now to edge. You see how that just peels it right back from the concrete. And if you look over here along this flower bed edge, how much overgrowth is happening. If I flip this stuff around, get out the rake, clean that up, and you will have yourself a beautiful looking flower bed edge. So again, there's a quick demonstration on what the Stihl reciprocating tool can do. I skipped one thing. Hold up, let me show you. This is something cool too. So I'm coming along the edge and I'm trimming, and I'm like, man, that thing needs to be trimmed up. Just like that, I can push back a shrub. Sorry about that. I probably should have got permission before I got into that shrub. But hey everyone, have a great day. We'll see you soon.